Hi everyone, my name is Shosh Mitzman and I am so excited to welcome you to the Educators MAKOM community here in Akko. Standing with me is Mirit, who will tell us about her story and how she arrived here to Akko and what this amazing community is doing nowadays. Hi.
Hi everyone. So my name is Mirit Sulema. I'm 32 years old and I've lived in Akko for the past decade. I've arrived here in Akko just after my military service with a group of my friends, and we wanted to join the Akko Educators Kibbutz, which back then was only 20 people. Today we're a community of 90 educators who are working and educating here in the fields of informal education, in school and after school programs all over the city and all over the Western Galilee. We're working with children, with youth, and also with adults, trying to bridge between communities, trying to bridge between the different communities that live here in the Khalil and also that live here in Akko, which is such a special city and place. We're in the middle of actually three neighborhoods. A neighborhood in Akko is a little bit smaller than what everybody thinks. So a neighborhood can be also like 10 blocks, 10 buildings. And here in this neighborhood, we have all kinds of different people, all kinds of different communities that arrived here. We have Arabs, which are secular and religious. We have new Olim from former Soviet Union, Ukraine. When I'm talking new, I'm talking about people that are here for like 3 months. Some of them are for 6 years, but some of them are for 3 months, and they're struggling through learning the new language and with the barriers of language. These are a lot of communities. It can be a fractured society when there's so many communities. Sometimes we're not even speaking the same language, and we chose to be here because we felt that if we can create a better society here in this neighborhood, in this environment, then we can actually demonstrate to the Israeli society that living together, that coexisting is actually possible.
And one last question before we conclude. So being part of a MAKOM, the network of communities all across Israel, how would you define what you do here in your community as being one section of everything that is done? How do you see yourselves as part of this larger picture?
So I think that we want to envision MAKOM as it creates ripples of action. It creates, it gives me the knowledge or the notion that I'm a part of something bigger. And it really drives me to do what I do here, like wake up every morning to not such an easy environment, and to know that people are doing the same thing and motivated by the same values and want to create the same vision for Israel together. And this means that I'm not just doing what I'm doing, I'm actually like doing what I'm doing with, I don't know, like thousands of people, and it makes my day-to-day actions and my day-to-day work much more valuable, I think.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.